If you've ever sat there wishing there was a way to actually earn a full-time income online without spending all day glued to your laptop, let me just stop you right there. Because I found a system that only takes about 2 hours a day, runs mostly on automation, and it's completely flipped my life around. So if you've been wasting time and money on all the wrong side hustles, stick with me because I'm going to save you months or even years of trial and error by showing you exactly what worked for me and what didn't. And if we're just meeting, hi, I'm Hajera. I'm a mother of 3 kids, a wife from the UK. I help working mothers escape the 9-to-5 grind, say goodbye to guilt and stress, and finally build location-free income streams that actually fit into our busy family lives. And before we dive in, don't forget to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's my free step-by-step roadmap for starting your own digital business in just 2 hours a day. You'll find the link right below the description. My first failures. Now let's keep it real with you. My very first attempt at making money online, a disaster. I bought into a program that taught me how to run paid ads. Every month I was spending money to make money, but the only thing happening was my bank balance shrinking. I told myself it was an investment, but deep down I knew it wasn't sustainable. And the more I saw how the company actually operated, the less comfortable I felt attaching my name to it. I felt like I failed, like I let my family down. Honestly, I became skeptical about whether any of this money online stuff was actually real. But here's what I've learned. Expensive doesn't always mean effective. And if your values don't line up with the business, it's never going to feel right. Fast forward a few months, and that's when I stumbled onto the business model I run today. And this was different. It was ethical. It gave me real digital marketing skills that I could actually use. It provided done-for-you digital products I could resell for 100% profit. Most importantly, it gave me automated systems, so the heavy lifting was done for me while I got on with my life. That was my aha moment. I realized I didn't need to spend 10 hours a day on a laptop to build a business. With the right system in place, 2 focused hours a day was enough. Other models I tried. Of course, I also tested other things along the way. Affiliate marketing, Amazon influencer programs, even a bit of YouTube automation. And don't get me wrong, some of it worked. For example, with Amazon, you can recommend products and earn a commission, but it's tiny, $3 to $6 on a $100 item. That's not life-changing. Affiliate marketing can be great too. Some programs pay you 25 to 50%, but you still need traffic. And unless you've already built an audience or mastered marketing, it's a slow grind. And that's when I realized affiliate marketing works best as an add-on, but it's not the best foundation if you're brand new. The automated foundation. The program I'm in now gave me that foundation. A digital product I could sell for 100% profit. Automated system doing the follow-ups, emails, and even sales for me. Skills I could carry into any business. So instead of piecing things together or wasting hours chasing people, I could run my business in just 2 hours a day while being a present mom. Looking back, I wish I started this sooner. It would have been my shortcut. But the truth is, the smartest investment isn't the one that looks flashy or expensive. It's the one that saves you time, money, and frustration. So if you're tired of wasting months on trial and error, you want to start with something real. This really can be your shortcut too. To help you get started, I've put together a free class that shows you exactly how this business model works, step by step. It's beginner friendly, requires only 2 hours a day, and you can run it mostly from your phone. The link is right in the description below. Because at the end of the day, it's not about chasing shiny objects. It's about creating freedom, time freedom, location freedom, financial freedom. And now that you know the shortcut I wish I had known sooner, your next step is to click on the video on the description below. In the video, it breaks down exactly how I used automation and just 2 hours a day to build a business that lets me be present with my kids and grow an income. Click it now and I'll see you there.